Welcome back, students. In this video I am going to let you know a format of a formal letter which is being asked many times in your examination, and how to work out and what is the format of taking the formal letter in this video. As you all are aware that the letter writings, there are two types, that is a formal letter and the informal letter. Dear students, the formal letters are written to the higher officials like the editor of newspaper, the principal or the director of the college or the school, as well as the GHMC commissioner or the police officer. Such type of letters were written in form of formal letters, and the informal letters are written to friends, colleagues, the parents or your brother, sister, the friend, grandparents. Those all are said to be the informal letter. In today's video I am going to highlight you the formal letter and what are the parts of formal letter I am going to let you know, as well as what is the marking if it is asked for 10 marks in your examination, which part covers how many marks. The first and foremost thing you would like to let you know is that you need to write the address, the sender's address. That means the your address. This is nothing but the from address. You are not supposed to put it in blank. You need to write some address. If you don't want to put your information, write some address of something here. Later you need to write the date in this format, and later you need to write to address, the recipient address to whom you are writing. That will be specified. What is to whom you are going to write the letter, as well as what is the reason in writing the letter will be given in the question paper. You are supposed to look into it. That is the first thing you need to look, like to whom they are asking to write and what is the reason for writing this letter. So these things to be furnished first. This is nothing but the address along with the date. It carries from here and to here. For example, next is the greetings. You are supposed to write dear sir or respected sir, anything that may be dear sir or respected sir. So the first and foremost thing in the formal letter is to write the address along with the date and also the greetings of the letter. Next thing is what? Greetings. So for this you may be getting 2 marks here from here to here if you are writing very neat handwriting in step by step. And the first and foremost point I would like to let you know is that you are supposed to write a letter starting in a fresh page itself. If some answer is finished in the earlier page and there were around 10 to 15 lines left out, you are not supposed to write letter in that page. You need to have a fresh page from the beginning of the page. On the top you are going to write the letter writing, and do not write in the half page. If you don't have enough space, you can write in the next page, but whereas the letters to be written in a standard size papers, and that to be on a fresh page only, dear students. Later you need to mention the subject. Even for the subject you are going to get 1 mark. What is the subject here? Like they may be asking you to write the roads in your area are of not good condition maintained, or they may be asking you that electricity shortage in your area to the commissioner of the electricity board, or they may be asking you to work for the editor to incorporate the changes in certain areas regarding the garbage or municipality wastage, or some usage of loudspeakers in the night times by the locality of your area. Such type of things may be the reason or the subject that to be mentioned here, dear students. You need to make sure dear sir, later dear sir, you are supposed to work out the subject. Even subject has certain mark, dear students. Later I am going to discuss with you is the important point, that is nothing but the body of the letter. The body of the letter in the first paragraph, this can be written in 2 paragraphs or the 3 paragraphs, dear students. Body of the letter should not be only in a single paragraph, that should be written in 2 to 3 paragraphs itself. The first thing you need to do is that as you are writing to the editor or the commissioner or the police officer, you are supposed to introduce yourself in a line, as well as you need to introduction about the subject briefly. Regarding what you are going to write, you are supposed to furnish all the details in the first paragraph, like your self introduction as well as introduction about the given title or the subject what you are going to work out. Later what you are going to expect from the person to whom you have written the letter, that is said to the conclusion part. Here you are supposed to furnish all the details what you are looking for and what is the expectation you are known from the conclusion part. That is nothing but, so this is nothing but the body of the letter to be written in 2 to 3 paragraphs, and the write up you can go through your notes, as well as you can work out through your textbooks. Later you are supposed to thanksgiving to be written as that is in form of like thanking you. Even for this you are going to get 1 mark, following with a comma here, and you need to work out the proper grammar as well as punctuation marks, and the formation and correct usage of grammar is very essential here. The correct usage of grammar followed by the signature, that is yours faithfully. You are supposed to write, if you are writing a letter for an editor or GHMC commissioner or any corporator officer, you are supposed to mention yours faithfully, not yours obediently. Either you can use yours truly or yours sincerely, dear students. And by writing your name, do not write your name, you write some other name and the full stop. Without punctuation marks, it is not said to be in a language. You are supposed to use proper formation of sentences as well as correct usage of grammar and the punctuation marks, then only it is said to be a language. And even this carries 1 mark. If you count here, like this the signature is 1 and the thanksgiving is 1 and the subject is 1, whereas the address is 2. Till now we have covered 5 marks, and if it is a letter is for 10 marks. The remaining will be for the body of the letter. I mean, the body of the letter consists of certain part like the introduction as well as some concept related to the letter, I mean the write-up related to the letter, as well as the conclusion. The remaining marks will be for the topmost marks will be for the body of the letter, and the remaining marks will be splitted in this category. Hope you are going to work out like this. The first and foremost thing is what, dear students, the heading is the thing. Heading in the sense the from address and the to address along with the date, and later greetings. Greetings are nothing but dear sir, dear ma'am, respected sir or respected ma'am. Later the third thing is the subject, and fourth thing is the body of the letter. You need to write in paragraphs. Do not write in only single paragraph. First paragraph need to be introduction, and the second paragraph is like to what is the reason you are writing for that, the detailed explanation, and the third paragraph may be the conclusion, like what you are expecting from the person to whom you are writing. And later you need to thank the person, so that is nothing but thank giving, and later it is all about the signature, that means your details. This is how you are supposed to work out the letter, and do not forget to write in a fresh page as well as use proper punctuation marks and the grammar. Hope you are going to like my videos. For more videos, please do subscribe to my channel as well as support my video by liking it and share with your friends. Good luck, dear students. Thank you.